The fourth and final requirement to be considered in step 2 is to determine that the problem is an unresolved societal need or issue. We call this problem-based research. It focuses on problems that still need to be addressed. This is one of the reasons why interdisciplinarians need to be familiar with the disciplines that contribute insights to the topics they study. As they identify insights, they also tend to identify gaps, which further informs the problems they select and the scope of their research. Interdisciplinary studies tends to be problem-focused, and problem-focused research tends to be interdisciplinary in nature. The two are not interchangeable, but they tend to occur together. Interdisciplinarians try to address problems or questions from multiple angles, and problem-focused research requires a multi-angle approach. Again, because the problems are so complex, the problems cannot be resolved through one discipline. Once we've completed steps 1 and 2 and are satisfied with our decisions, we can move forward to step 3, which we will cover next week.